Hey there, it's CreativeSarah here, and we're going to make a really cool tier tray. All the things I bought here are from the Dollar Tree. So we have the pizza pan, the pie pan, and then this little candle holder, and a few little spools, wooden spools. All right, so I'm painting this with my folk art chalk paint. And basically when you're painting the metal, you're gonna do multiple coats. So I painted a coat, and then I let it dry, and then I painted another coat, and then I let it dry. You can speed it along by using a hairdryer or a quick dry tool. But yeah, so you're gonna do like 2 or 3 coats if you want to get like that really solid color. Otherwise, you can do it to your liking, whatever you want. So I did the top tier, which is the pie pan. That was our red color. And then this is our blue. It's turning out so cool. Again, just dry it and then paint multiple coats on there so that you don't see all of the paintbrush strokes and everything. I always use the like super cheap throwaway foam brushes when I'm doing little crafting projects, just because it makes it easier. But you could use regular brush too, however you like. Then I'm just marking the middle so I know where to glue down my little candlestick here, which is going to be the in between, like the little riser part of. And then I did not paint the bottom because it would be better to not paint it, so that I can just glue this. I'm painting these little spools, which the paint looks awful similar to the actual wood, but don't worry, it definitely makes a difference. And I'm just going to glue these onto the bottom. So these are little risers that are gonna lift that tray up a bit. Wait till you see the finished project. Make sure you like and follow for more ideas.